Next, from Polygon Studios, we have the Business Development Manager, Yoriko Beal, who will be talking about examples of Web3 in the game entertainment domain. Now, we would like to ask Ms. Beal to take over. How do you do? My name is Beal of Polygon Studios. And today, I'd like to talk about Web3 examples in the game entertainment domain. In regard to what Web3 is, I'd like to talk about projects and corporations that take advantage of Web3 and what they are actually doing rather than what Web3 is about exactly. I'm not going to be talking about Web3 in general, but rather specifically about NFT examples. Here's a brief introduction. My name is Yoriko Beal, and from 2015, I've been involved in cryptocurrency and in domestic exchanges, and also in the media involving cryptocurrency and startups. I've been involved in Polygon Studios, which is involved in a blockchain project of Polygon. And also, NFT games and entertainment is the area that Polygon Studios, affiliate company, is involved in. And I've been involved in Ethereum, and I've been involved in the online forum EIP for improvement proposals of Ethereum. To talk about it, Polygon Studios, this was established last year in summer, and basically we're dealing with games and metaverse. And we're designing online digital experiences, and also marketing and technical support is provided by us. We're also involved in brand and IP owners and fashion or music or other entertainment industry companies, and we are dealing with how they can incorporate Web3. We're also doing marketing support and also introducing development tools, and also we're carrying out investments. I'd like to go into the main subject. First, in the game domain, here are some cases of the utilization of NFTs. Here are several examples. On the upper left-hand side, you have Midnight Society. Dr. Disrespects is a very famous online game streamer overseas. And he wanted to start something more interesting, so he became a publisher of gaming studios. And the games that are created here are first-person shooting-style games. NFTs have been incorporated here. And it's not just simply selling NFTs. Rather, there's engagement with visuals. And instead of a money game, there's various steps that are taken. There are three major points. One, it's a free-to-play format. Even if you have NFTs or not, you're able to enjoy this game. And if you have NFTs, then you can have mask designs of Ultraman or so on, and other characters used. But regardless of whether you have this or not, that's irrelevant to the game itself. And if you have NFTs within the game, you can upgrade the appearance of your characters, and so you can deepen engagement through the use of NFTs. The third point is it's not a pay-to-win approach. It's a free-to-play, and the second point is engagement, but the third point is that it's not pay-to-win. Regardless of whether you have money or not, whether you have NFTs or not, skilled players can win in the game. That's how the game is designed. If you have NFTs, or regardless of whether you're Web3 enabled or not, the important thing about games is that they're enjoyable to play. And so, this has to be respected when design is carried out. And this game is quite popular. Before the game was released, the process was released, and within the community, there was over 120,000 gamers involved in the Zero community. Next, we have Metalcore. In NFT New York City, the details are going to be revealed. And this is also a first-person shooting style game. And we have Cool Cats next. This is a famous series of NFTs, and it's on the Ethereum chain that this is issued mainly. But collaboration with other projects is possible. There are other projects in the NFT series, and there's also Polygon. It's quicker and less expensive than Ethereum on Polygon, and we're trying to increase user engagement here. And here, games and metaverse are important factors. Next, Skyweaver. This is a card game, and here, you don't become strong because you buy cards, but rather, when the top-ranking players, there are designs that are stylish that you can trade as you improve your ranking. So, this respects the user experience while providing new, novel experiences. As for major brands, here are some examples of efforts that are being made. Here are some famous brands using NFTs. For example, Prada and Adidas. They have one-of-a-kind NFTs sold, or Dolce & Gabbana, who have some sophisticated NFTs sold in an exchange. They have a partnership with UNXD to sell NFTs. And then there's Bulgari. They've collaborated with a metaverse operation. Meanwhile, Estee Lauder takes advantage of Metaverse Fashion Week as exclusive sponsor. And since they're involved in cosmetics, they have concepts to improve the skin texture. And it's possible in the metaverse to take advantage of NFTs here. And there are various examples of metaverse, and there are many new things being built here. Meanwhile, in the area of entertainment and metaverse, as well as in sports and in game and fashion brands and others, we have celebrities using this, and there are many advanced examples here. The projects that I've introduced take advantage of the Polygon blockchain, so I'd like to introduce the Polygon concept. We're trying to build up a scaling solution for Ethereum, and we have a POS format, and we can achieve scalability fast and inexpensively. And there's also another layer 2 solution that is being built currently. And Polygon is being used in various different places for NFT marketplaces. Open3 is quite famous. And also Uniquest marketplace. And I've mainly introduced overseas examples, but in Japan as well. There is Mobile Factory and crypto games, Ginko and JPYC. And this is a coin that's pegged to the Japanese yen. And there's also a whiskey operation with Unicask. And there's also NFT sales Aruyaumu, which engages in tax payments made at one's home country. And for Polygon, we have compatibility with Ethereum. It's fast and inexpensive, and there's a culture Lego, and it's possible to have collaborations with other projects while you move forward with your own project and increase its scale. So it's quite easy to use this for such collaborations. And there are also efforts for sustainability. There's often talk about the fact that NFTs are very bad for the environment, but on the blockchain side, for sustainability, there are efforts being made. And in Polygon as well, there's the Green Manifest. To solve environmental issues, the use of blockchain is going to be a target of investments by us, and we will support such initiatives. And for 2052, we want to strive for a carbon negative status. That's all for my presentation. And if you're interested in Web3 or NFTs and are involved in related projects, please contact us. I'm sure that we're able to collaborate with your efforts. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ms. Beal.